Now let's move on to the grammar session, class 6, the sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that is arranged in a proper order and it gives us complete meaning. So now here we can see a group of words that makes complete sense. Sense means it is a meaning. Meaning means giving some meaning to a particular word is called as sense. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and also it ends with a full stop. Here there are two sentences given. The first one, rises in the east. Is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence because it does not convey the complete meaning to us. Now let's move on to the second sentence. The sun rises in the east. The second sentence conveys the complete meaning because here we are getting the subject noun and the complete meaning also is conveyed. The sun is a noun of the sentence. Rises is a verb of the sentence, that is the action done by the subject. In the east, that is the object of the sentence. Now let me move on to the kind of sentences. Kinds of sentences, we are dividing it into 4 kinds. First one assertive, second one interrogative, third one imperative and fourth one exclamatory. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, which means it states something or declares something. A statement like message is conveyed, that is called as assertive sentence. For example, the boy made a noise. That means a statement or some message is simply conveyed to us. So such type of sentences are called as assertive sentence. Now the second kind of sentence, interrogative sentence. It asks a question. So for example, it can be WH question or with the help of helping verbs we can start sentences like is, are, have, has, do, did, done. With all those words when we start and we frame a question, such type of sentences also comes under interrogative sentence. Here is the example, why are you late? It starts with the WH question and we can frame sentences using helping verbs. Did you do your homework? It starts with the helping verb. Next, third one, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, it expresses a command, request or desire. So when we order or request somebody, likewise, please shut the door or let me get a glass of water. Likewise, when we request or order something, that is called as imperative sentence. Now let me move on to the last one, exclamatory sentence. It expresses a strong or sudden feeling. All of a sudden, without our knowledge, when we express some of our feelings, such type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a exclamatory mark. Here is an example, what a pleasant weather. We might not have thought of the weather, but we got a pleasant weather. We are just exclaimed of that. Such type of sentences are called exclamatory sentence. I hope you understood the chapter. Please go through your reader.